Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
All are fit and fine? Yes? Yes,
Yes,
or no?
ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
how's
ma'am.
your day? How's your day?
Very well, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Okay. So, everyone, what did you do on Sunday? What did you do on Sunday, beta? How was Sunday?
Ma'am, homework किया.
Or do your
Ma'am?
work?
Ma'am, I have a question.
Very fun.
Yes, beta?
मैम मुझे चैप्टर 1 के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स चाहिए.
Beta, chapter 1 I will see in my mobile. If it will with me, I will send you. Okay. Otherwise,
Ma'am,
arrange
what
from
is
your
the
friends.
homework?
मैम
Beta, if it will in my phone, I will send you. Otherwise, ask to your friend. Okay.
What, ma'am?
एक
What?
दूसरे से देख कर लेना बेटा. Yes.
What, ma'am?
बेटा
Yeah, ma'am.
जिसे भी चैप्टर 1 के आंसर चाहिए, you have to do from your friends. Okay. If it will with me in my phone, I will send you. Okay. Okay. So everyone, turn on your camera. We will do the prayer firstly, then we will continue our chapter number 3, weather and climate. Okay, today we will read about the heat zones of the earth. Okay, heat zones of the earth. Our earth is divided into heat zones. We will read about it. Firstly, we will read the prayer. Okay, everyone join us.
Om Bhurbhuva Swaha Tasmatu Om Bhurbhuva Swaha Tasmatu Bharenyam Yo na prachodaya.
Start the exercise. From your now read 1. Do the exercise. 1. Look at the side. 2, 3, 4, 5. Everyone do this. I completed. You have to do the exercise. Sanvi, Kavya, Navya. Do exercise, everyone. Okay. Now thought of the day.
Ma'am, I know.
Ma'am, I also
Thought
know.
of the day.
Mask is our first priority.
Your cognitive skills will
Ma'am, I give.
Yes, write in chat box.
Ma'am, I have person change the life of a
Write in chat box. Okay, here are many thoughts. Okay, Dhyani. Anything is possible in this world. Okay, Manan. And here is also, kids don't remember what you try to teach them. They just remember what you are. Okay, we have many thoughts. So our today's thought, kids don't remember what you try. Okay, to teach them, they just remember what you are. And here is Manan's thought, anything is possible in this world. Nothing is impossible. Okay, anything can happen in this world. We should not think that anything is impossible. Okay, now we will do our chapter number 3. We will continue with our chapter number 3, weather and climate. Okay, our today's topic is 3 zones of the earth. Okay, our lunch object is, you will identify the wind zones, understand their features. Okay, now we have 3 types of zones. Okay, so 6 latitudes right on earth, 3 wind zones. Okay, so we will read about this, then I will explain to you about the 3 winds of the wind zone of the earth. Okay, so now everyone, starting. I'm giving the name. Who will read? Just a minute, beta. I'm giving the name. Okay, here is Nitya. Nitya Saradwa, you start reading, beta. Heat zone. Climatic zone of Earth. Nitya, start reading. Nitya, ready, beta? Nitya Sarvadia, ready? Nitya, ready, beta? I think Nitya is not ready. Okay. Yana, you start reading. Yana.
Yes, ma'am.
Start reading from climatic zone of the earth.
Okay, ma'am. The entire Earth can be divided into 3 climate or heat zones depending upon the temperature and rainfall received in areas within those zones. These zones are torrid zone, temperature zone, and frigid zone.
Okay, read the torrid zone, turn your page.
Okay. Torrid zone. This climate zone extends between the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. As this zone is spread astride the equator, the sun rays fall directly on it, making the area extremely hot and humid.
Okay. Okay, let me explain till here. So, what is given on page number 21? That our Earth is divided into three climatic zones, known as the heat zone also. In our previous lecture, you learned about the different types of climate. Now you will read about the heat zones of the climate. Okay, our Earth is divided into three heat zones depending on their climate or temperature. We can say that temperature and rainfall. How many temperature or which type of rainfall an area of Earth receiving, depending on our Earth is divided into three heat zones. Same three in south and same three in north. Okay, we have same zones in both north and south. Okay, and 6 latitudes are working here. It means 6 latitudes dividing our Earth into 3 heat zones. Now, you will read that our Earth is divided into 3 heat zones. First is called torrid zone, which is asteroid. Asteroid means stretches in the both side of a line. So, torrid zone stretches in the both side of the 0° latitude known as the equator. Okay, and temperate zone lies between Tropic of Cancer in north, okay, and Tropic of Capricorn in south, okay, and frigid zone lies between 66.5 degree, which is known as the Arctic Circle, and Antarctic Circle in north and south. Okay, now we will read that torrid zone. What is torrid zone? As Yana read here the information which is given in your textbook. This climate zone extends between the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. It means in the south also and in the north. Tropic of Cancer is in north and Tropic of Capricorn is in south. So it means we have this torrid zone, Tropic of Cancer to Tropic of Capricorn. Now I will show you the diagram. Okay, so let's see the diagram of the heat zones of the Earth. Okay, I'm going to explain you about that where is our torrid zone, okay, and where is our temperate zone, where is our frigid zone. Now see, as you know, our torrid zone extends between Tropic of Cancer. This line is our Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Cancer. Okay. So 23.5 degrees north. 23.5 degrees north. यहाँ से यहाँ 23.5 और Tropic of Cancer. So where is our torrid zone? Our torrid zone lies between Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. Okay, this is our torrid zone, and you can see clearly the torrid zone also where it is located on 0° latitude in equator. It means you can understand that you have learned about the climate, that any area, climatic effects, that any area which is near to the equator has hot and humid climate, because this area receives the vertical rays, or we can say the straight rays, which are very hot and strong. Okay, that's why this region has hot and humid climate. So in torrid zone, our Earth is divided into three zones. First is torrid zone. Now torrid zone is one of the Earth, and which type of climate is found here? The torrid zone, hot and humid climate. Okay, where it is? It lies between Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. Okay, यहाँ से यहाँ, okay. Strike side, both sides of the line, and both side of the line. It means between the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. Okay. Now here is temperate zone. Now I am giving the name. Who will read the temperate zone? Then I will explain you. Now Dhyani Kami, you start reading, beta. You start reading page number 22, temperate zone. Temperate zone. Start reading. Dhyani, ready, beta? Dhyani, you are ready? Okay, Shreya.
Ma'am,
Shreya. Okay, ready. Okay.
page number.
Temperate zone. Page number 22. Temperate zone.
Temperature
Ready, Dhyani?
zone. This heat or climate zone lies between the Arctic Circle and Tropic of Cancer in the northern hemisphere and the Antarctic Circle and Tropic of Capricorn in the southern hemisphere. This region enjoys a moderate climate which is neither too hot nor too cold. It is the area between torrid and frigid zone.
Okay. Now, I'm going to explain you about torrid zone. Beta, off your video. Off your video. Sia and Dhyani, off your video. Okay, now temperate zone. Where is temperate zone? It lies between 23 and 1 degree north. Now, Tropic of Cancer and Arctic Circle. Okay, temperate zone lies between Tropic of Cancer and Arctic Circle. Okay, northern hemisphere. And temperate zone also lies in southern hemisphere. Tropic of Capricorn and Arctic Circle. Okay. We have temperate zone in both hemisphere, northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. And lies between Tropic of Cancer between 23.5 degrees north latitude and 63.5 degrees north latitude. The northern hemisphere. And southern hemisphere lies between 3.5 and 63.5 degrees south latitude. Okay. Now you can see. It is in between frigid zone. Here is frigid zone. Here is temperate zone. Lies between frigid zone and torrid zone. It means neither near to equator nor to pole. Our temperate zone is not near to equator and also not near to poles. That's why climate is here. This region enjoy moderate climate. It means neither too hot nor too cold. Why? What is the reason that that temperate zone enjoying moderate climate? क्यों? क्योंकि ये इक्वेटर के बहुत पास भी नहीं है और पोल के भी बहुत पास नहीं है. इक्वेटर के पास नहीं है तो ये बहुत ज्यादा गर्म नहीं है और पोल के पास नहीं है तो नॉट अ cold. It has moderate climate. It means neither too hot nor too cold. So this is our temperate zone. Okay. And now we will read about the frigid zone. Now you may read this paragraph. Kavya Bhuva, you start reading.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Frigid zone. This zone is northern hemisphere. In northern hemisphere lies between the Arctic Circle in the North Pole and in the Southern Hemisphere. It lies between Antarctic Circle and South Pole. The slant of the sun rays almost loses its strength, making the region cool throughout the year.
Okay. Then beta, so now what is frigid zone? This zone is also in Northern Hemisphere and Southern Hemisphere. Now we will see the location. Here is frigid zone. Okay.
Ma'am, श्लोक आद्रोजा have a doubt.
90 degrees north. Okay. Pole means 90 degrees north. And then South Pole is 90 degrees west. Okay. This is so light between 6.5 between north to pole. Okay. It happens here. 6.5 degrees south to 90 degrees south pole. Okay. It is right between Arctic Circle and 0 degrees north pole. Sorry, 90 degrees north pole. And here is Antarctic Circle right between Antarctic Circle and 90 degrees south pole. Okay. Now what is the planet? As you know, this frigid zone is near to the pole. That's why it has four planets. Throughout the year, most of the parts of this zone remain snow covered. Okay. Frigid zones are near to the pole. Okay. Near to the pole. So in the both hemispheres, this zone is near to the poles, and you know poles receiving the oblique rays of the sun, which are not hot and bright. It means they don't have enough heat and heatness or brightness. So this area remains cold and it's covered with snow throughout the year. That's why frigid zone has cold climate. Okay, now here is, you all aware about the slant sun rays. It means oblique sun rays, which has to cover a long distance, and when they reach on the pole, they lose their heatness and brightness. That's why this region did not receive enough heatness and brightness. So now we have completed our all the 3 heat zones. Have you any doubt in here? Have you any doubt here? बेटा कृतार्थ, ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं आपको जानबूझ के चूज नहीं कर रही हूँ. आई विल गिव यू योर टर्न ऑल्सो. ओके बेटा. हेतवी, व्हाट इज योर डाउट बेटा? राइट इन चैट बॉक्स. बेटा ऐसा नहीं है कि कभी भी आपका टर्न नहीं आया होगा. यात्री, आई रिमेम्बर, मैंने आपको एक बार दिया है टर्न बेटा. ओके, हियर आर मेनी स्टूडेंट्स, सो आई एम नॉट गिविंग अ चांस अगेन एंड अगेन. इट्स ओनली अ कोइंसिडेंट अगर कोई रिपीट हो रहा है तो. ओके बेटा. Beta, now you all are complaining same. You are not doing good, बेटा. सिया बेटा, मैंने आपको भी बहुत बार टर्न दिया है रीड करने का. Okay, now we will do the correction of exercise A and B, which you have completed in homework. A and B on page number 22 and 23. 22 and 23. Everyone open your page number 22 and 23. We will do the correction. Everyone is ready? Multiple choice question. Okay, now first is range of temperature means. Range of temperature means difference between maximum and minimum temperature. You all are aware about this? Difference between maximum and minimum temperature. D1 is our answer. Done, beta. Now here is on page number 23, which of the climatic region is located nearest to the poles? Equatorial, hot, prairies or tundra? So our answer is tundra climate. Tundra climate is nearest to the poles. The place in India which receives, now third, the place in India which receives maximum rainfall is Tamil Nadu, Cherrapunji, Mawasyanram या Goa. It's Mawasyanram. Mawasyanram. The tree not found in the equatorial region is mahogany, ebony and rosewood are the plants, the trees of evergreen forest which found in tropical or equatorial region. Okay, so our answer is D, pine. It's grow mostly on mountain region. So our answer is pine. Okay, now here is fill in the blanks. Days are hot and nights are cold. In days are hot and nights are cold in desert. Everyone do the correction. Days are hot and nights are cold in desert. Now weather is defined as a condition of atmosphere of a given place. Weather is defined as a condition of atmosphere of a given place. Third is land breeze blows from land to sea. लैंड की तरफ से सी की तरफ जब एयर जाती है, दिस इज कॉल्ड लैंड ब्रीज. एंड व्हेन एयर ब्लोज फ्रॉम सी साइड, दिस इज कॉल्ड सी ब्रीज. Okay, now hill stations have cold climate. Hill stations have cold climate. Done. Now fifth is frigid zone remains very cold throughout the year. Frigid zone remains cold throughout the year. Throughout the year. Okay, done? Done everyone? Correction work? Yes or no? Shlok, what is your doubt? Write in chat box. Shlok, what is your doubt, beta? Shlok, what is your doubt? In homework, exercise C and D. You have to do exercise C and D. Okay, now I'm going to ask. Beta, Mediterranean is the name of a sea. Janin Bhopalia, Mediterranean is the name of a sea. ओके उस सी के नेम के ऊपर क्लाइमेट का नेम रखा गया है. ओके स्नोफॉल इज नॉट कमिंग बेटा बिकॉज इट्स समर सीजन. समर में स्नो नहीं होता बिकॉज टेम्परेचर ज्यादा होता है. इन विंटर स्नोफॉल इन अवर माउंटेन रीजन. बिकॉज ऑफ ग्लोबल वार्मिंग पहले के हिसाब से स्नोफॉल भी कम हो गया है. ओके yes, I will send you PDF but in evening. Okay, after 4 p.m. I will send you PDF after 4 p.m. Okay, now everyone is ready. I am going to ask the question. Oral test. Ready, beta? Yes or no? Ready for test? Okay, so now tell me which climatic or heat zone. Climatic zone बोलो या heat zone बोलो, दोनों एक ही चीज है. Okay, so always remember climatic or heat zone both are same. So my question is which climatic or heat zone enjoyed moderate climate? Yes बेटा, AC global warming करता है. Yes, correct. Okay Om, everyone give the answer. You have to remember all the climatic zones, all the types of climate. Okay, हर एक types of climate के features और climatic zone के features you have to remember. It will come your 10th standard compulsory. Okay, and after 10th you will take humanities and these will also come again. Okay, temperate zone is our climatic or heat zone which receives moderate climate. Okay, which receives moderate climate. Okay, now next question is which climatic zone has animals such as huskies, reindeer, polar bear, etc. Yes, tundra or frigid zone. Frigid zone is climatic zone and tundra is the type of climate where we found huskies, polar bear, reindeer, etc. All are giving correct answer. Okay, everyone give the answer. Here are the strength of 42 students. So answer should be 42. Answer should be 42. Okay, now next question is which climate has this feature? Summer are wet and winters are dry. Summers are wet and winters are dry. In which climate? No Kritarth, not desert. Check your answers. Yes, Om Kakasanya, very good. Monsoon climate or tropical climate. We can say the tropical or monsoon. Okay, in monsoon climate, summers are wet. It means summer के बाद बारिश होती है यहाँ पर, and winters are dry. Okay, now next is which climate has moderate climate? In which climate we have moderate climate? I'm asking about the climate. In which climate we see the moderate climate? Yes, maritime or moderate. You can say maritime or moderate. Neither too hot nor too cold is the feature of moderate or maritime climate. Okay. Now, what is the feature of tundra climate? What is the feature of tundra climate? What is the feature of tundra climate? Extremely cold. Very good. Is tundra climate is very suitable for growing plants and trees? Yes or no? Tundra climate is very suitable for growing plants and trees. There are many plants and trees. No, because temperature is rarely rise up 4 degrees Celsius. Okay. Summer में ही in western part of tundra region, some plants can grow when temperature go up of 4 degrees Celsius. Otherwise, it remain down 4 degrees Celsius. And we know that anything which need to grow, temperature should be rise up 4 degrees Celsius. Now here is a question, your wisdom. If you have to choose one of the climatic regions mentioned above to live in, what will be your choice and why? Question is, if you have to choose one of the climatic regions mentioned above to live in, what will be your choice and why? In which type of climate you will wish to stay and why? Yana wish to live in cold climate. Truvil and Dhwanil Modi wish to live in humid climate. Okay. And Trisha Agara, beta write your answer with the reason that why you want to live there. Trisha moderate, Kavya moderate, Daksh cold, Yatri cold, Kirtaj cold, Nitya cold, Hetri Pandit cold, Mihir cold. Okay. These are the students who want to live in cold. Kakashanya want to live in monsoon climate. Okay. Okay, Samar. Slok, okay, Jia. Okay, but you are not writing your reason that why you want to live in a particular climate. Manan, moderate climate में रहना चाहते हो, but why? What is the reason? Yes, Daniel give perfect answer. Moderate climate because it's not too cold or hot. Janil Bhopalia wants to live in a moderate climate because it is not too hot or not too cold. Okay. So homework is nobody leave without permission. I have to take your attendance. Nobody will leave now. We have a time. I will ask question again. Don't leave. Okay. Now next question is, which type of forest we found in equatorial climate? Which type of forest we found in equatorial climate? Right, everyone? Evergreen forest. Okay. Evergreen forest. Now next is, which place in Meghalaya gets the heaviest rainfall in the world? Which place? Dharam, don't give the speakers, beta. Manan, don't leave. Mavasyan Ram, okay. Om Kakasariya, okay. Kavya Bhuva, Ritarth, okay. Siya, okay. Mavasyan Ram received heaviest rainfall in the world. But in earlier time, before 20 to 16 years, it was Cherrapunji. But now Mavasyan Ram. Okay. Now, which country is known as the home of domestic animals? Which country is? Beta, Cherrapunji is not a correct answer. It's a Mavasyan Ram. Cherrapunji आज से 16 to 20 years पहले था. India, very good. It's okay, beta. It's okay. Okay, now next is, which type of animals we found in desert region? Which type of animals we found in desert region? Which types of animals we found in desert region? Okay, camel, reptile, scorpion, species of animals. Okay, so now everyone, do your homework. I will send you hard work and also the PDF of the exercise you have to complete today. I will send you PDF after 4 p.m. Okay. Everyone, now take care. Goodbye. Now you can leave, beta. I have taken your attendance.